David Mejia Colgan, esq., has served the Bronx community for over 30 years, defending individuals accused of domestic violence and other serious criminal matters. With experience as a former assistant district attorney in the Bronx County District Attorney's Office, David Mejia Colgan, esq., brings a deep understanding of how these cases are prosecuted and how to build a strong defense for every client. When you are facing domestic violence charges in the Bronx, having an experienced domestic violence lawyer on your side can make a critical difference. David Mejia Colgan, esq., handles the full range of criminal defense matters arising from family offense allegations, from arraignment through trial, working to protect your rights, your freedom, and your future at every stage of the process. Can a domestic violence case in the Bronx affect my immigration status even if I only receive a misdemeanor conviction? Yes, even a misdemeanor domestic violence conviction can have severe immigration consequences. Under federal law, crimes involving domestic violence are classified as deportable offenses, which means that a conviction can lead to removal proceedings, denial of naturalization, or revocation of a visa. Non-citizens should discuss their immigration status with their criminal defense attorney before accepting any plea offer, because certain dispositions carry fewer immigration risks than others. What happens if the person who made the domestic violence accusation wants to drop the charges? In New York, only the prosecutor has the authority to drop criminal charges. Even if the complainant no longer wishes to pursue the case, the Bronx District Attorney's Domestic Violence Bureau may continue with prosecution using an evidence-based approach. Prosecutors can rely on 911 recordings, body-worn camera footage, medical records, photographs, and officer testimony to build a case without the complainant's direct participation at trial. Can I return to my home if an order of protection has been issued against me after a domestic violence arrest in the Bronx? A full order of protection issued at arraignment typically requires you to vacate any shared residence and prohibits all contact with the complainant. You cannot return to the home until the order is modified or lifted by the court. Your attorney can request a hearing to modify the order to a limited order of protection, which would allow you to return home while prohibiting offensive conduct, but the judge will consider the facts of the case and the complainant's safety before making any changes. David Mejia Colgan, esq., proudly serves clients across the Bronx and surrounding areas, including Riverdale, NY, Kingsbridge, NY, Fordham, NY, Tremont, NY, Soundview, NY, Pelham Bay, NY, Frogs Neck, NY, Morris Park, NY, Parkchester, NY, and Co-op City, New York. Our domestic violence lawyer in New York provides dedicated legal assistance to anyone facing criminal charges arising from family offense allegations throughout the borough. If you have been arrested or charged with a domestic violence offense in the Bronx, do not wait to get legal help. Contact David Mejia Colgan, esq., today for a free consultation by visiting https://brooklynziopro.blog.core.windows.net/bronx/domestic-violence/lawyer.html or calling 718-484-8820. Your defense starts now. Schedule a free consultation by visiting https://brooklynziopro.blog.core.windows.net/bronx/domestic-violence/lawyer.html or calling 718-484-8820.